Before you get started with Go High Level, you need to see this, because when you sign up with my link, you're not just getting a 30-day free trial, you're also getting $10,000 worth of bonuses for free. So let me show you what's included. The first thing you get is coaching from me, one-on-one, live, 24/7. Yes, you actually get my personal phone number so you can text me with whatever questions you have, and I'm always here to help out. And of course, you get live Zoom calls and group coaching sessions every Friday at 12 p.m. CST right here on YouTube. So you're not just getting some pre-made snapshots, you're getting an actual relationship with me so I can help you grow your business. The second thing you get completely for free is SaaSSuite, my high-level onboarding, education, and support system. We just passed 2,000 active high-level sub-accounts that we are actively onboarding, educating, and supporting for your businesses. And we're not slowing down anytime soon. This is not just a software, but it is a service that you get completely for free by joining under our links. Through SaaSSuite, you're getting 3 awesome features for your customers, not just for you. One is education, a system of over 25 onboarding videos, each less than a couple minutes long to onboard your customers. And if you're just getting started and don't know how to use high-level, great. These work perfectly for you to show you the ropes in the best format possible. When you're reselling high level, you can upload custom videos to onboard your customers and even show or hide whatever you want so they can learn to use the CRM, appointment booking, AI agents, literally anything. It will teach your customers for you. Number 2 is our welcome, onboarding, and SaaS health features. You can create custom onboarding checklists, announcements, and everything to welcome your users into the platform and even track their login activity and their usage by watching videos so you know exactly what your customers are doing inside of your agency. And along with this, you get a voice AI agent that can literally call your customers and onboard them for you. It's super awesome. And number 3 is support, which is a 3-part system that we use to support your customers. Number 1 is AI chat support, which helps your customers with most of their problems. Number 2 is human handover. So if your customers have any questions, they can come straight to me and my team so we can help them under your brand. And number 3 is support ticketing. So your customers can submit tickets to you if they need any help from your agency. That means the bonuses you're getting through us are not just to support you, but they're to support your customers so you can continue growing your agency on autopilot. What's even cooler is you can even brand your agency with SaaSSuite too. So as soon as you sign up, you can throw in your colors, customize your software and your login page. There's even a menu link removal tool so you can automatically remove any unnecessary features from high level so your customers don't get lost. SaaSSuite is seriously one of the biggest levers for growing an agency or a SaaS on high level, and you're gonna get it completely for free. But of course, what about sales and what about marketing? Well, with me, you get 3 critical bonuses to help you actually get sales for your high level agency. The truth is, you don't need another snapshot. You need a system that's proven, that works, and that is simple to help you scale your business. So we have one snapshot and service that's been installed to over 500 different agencies to help them get their first few clients. It's one email marketing snapshot with email templates to sell AI services, one cold email generator that's been tested over 1,000 times to craft perfect cold emails, an email warm-up service that's included with SaaSSuite so we can warm up your email for you so you can send thousands of emails from one email account every day using high level. And lastly, free leads. You don't have to do anything besides submit a small form inside of SaaSSuite in order for us to give you over 1,000 completely free leads in whatever niche, industry, and location that you want. So with all of this combined, you're getting your leads handled for you. You've got a marketing system to market to those leads. You have onboarding to onboard those leads, and you have education, support, and all the retention tools to actually grow and keep your customers inside of high level. Listen, at the end of the day, you don't need another course. You don't need another snapshot. That's not what's going to move the needle. What's going to move the needle are actual systems. And that's why we support over 2,000 sub accounts using SaaSSuite to deliver all of our bonuses to you as a high level customer. This is the same system that's allowed me to grow countless high level agencies and that all of my affiliates are using to grow their businesses. Now, if you already have a high level account, you can upgrade with us and get access to all of these bonuses just like any new affiliate. Whether you're on the $297 or the $497, you can always upgrade to the next plan or to the annual plan to get access to these bonuses. And if you're brand new, you're getting access to that exclusive 30-day free trial so you can start selling before you even pay a single cent to high level. If you have any questions about signing up under my affiliate links, SaaSSuite, or any of the bonuses that we offer, feel free to drop them in the comments. As always, my name is Andrew, and I'll see you soon.